Low efficiency in agricultural spraying, wasting pesticide with no effect. Professional organic silicone agricultural spreader, helping you solve all problems. Super spreading and penetration. Break leaf surface tension. Pesticide adheres evenly without slipping. Save 30% plus water and pesticide. Reduce waste and planting costs. Rain resistant, long-lasting effect. No need to respray after rain. Mild and non-irritating. No damage to crops. Green and safe. Widely applicable to vegetables, fruit trees, field crops, and flowers. Suitable for all crops. Choose the right organic silicone spreader for more efficient spraying and easier planting.